Let's go over student data. We're going to go to General. And this is going to be any student that you have access to that are in your class. So let's click Annabelle Atkins. There's her little picture. And if we have one, her street address, home phone, birthday, what grade she's in, when she was enrolled, what school she's in, and then her family contact information. It gives you the relationship. Mac Atkins is her father. Kim Atkins is her mother. The EC means that Mac is an emergency contact, and he can PU, which means pick up. He can pick her up. There's her home phone, her cell phone, or his home phone, cell phone, and work phone. Okay? And then any additional emergency contact information that we have. Let's go to a secondary student, and or a middle school student, I'm sorry. Rachel Graham. There she is, and I need to talk to her. So I want to see what her schedule is. So let's click View Schedule. And here's her schedule right here. So I'm Miss Ottinger, and I need to talk to her, and it's third period, so I'm going to go to Miss Williams' room. So this is her schedule. This is exactly what we have in the front office on that student. So, and any notes that we might have if they're allergic to peanuts, or if you need to not call the mother, or, the grandparents can't speak to the child, anything like that will be under notes. So again, that's going to be any student that you have access to because they are enrolled in one of your classes. This is where you'll find that information. Okay? Email's not listed because that is going off of the student email. If you want parent emails, you can get those from me or Sherry or Lainey or somebody. But this is just feeding off of the student email, not the parent email. Let's go to how to upload stuff. We're going to go to web configuration. Let's go first to announcements. This is the class that I'm under. You can change that to whatever you want. I'm not sure why those are there. Let's go to this. All right. This is Bible 7. The beginning date that you want this announcement to display, and then the ending date that you want this announcement to display. We're going to change it. Let's change this to August 9th. And you just need to give it a title. So, welcome back, students. And then this is the actual body. So, the main title, and then any other, fun stuff that you want to put in there, or any more details about the announcement. Please bring signed internet form back as soon as you can. Okay? That's all you have to do. And then click save. And see it showed up over here, your beginning date and your end date that you want the announcement to show up. Okay? That's all you have to do for announcements. We can add another one. Make sure you change those beginning and end dates. If it's the same day, if those are the same day, it's not going to show up at all. So let's say, I don't like that announcement. I want to get rid of it. I'm going to click it. Maybe. Double click on it. And then click delete. And there you go. It's gone. Okay, very easy. Let's go to calendar. All right. This is going to be actual printable calendar that you're going to be filling. And I know that all junior high and high school tests have to be on this calendar because the parents can go on and it will be a mass calendar for the student so the parent can print it off and see what the student has going on every day as far as tests and quizzes go. So let's say we want a test to be given on the first day of school. It's going to be a handbook quiz. If that's all you want to write, that's all you need to write. You don't have to write anything else. But that's the date that it's going to go on the calendar. So we're going to click save. And then there it goes. Okay? You can double click if I want to add some stuff to it, I can. And then I just click save. And it goes right there. Okay? So let's delete that. All right. Now let's go to resources. This, as you can see, this is anything that you want to be up all the time. Like, you're not going to be taking it down. Any links, as you can see, Mr. Brackens has some links up there. If you do global, I'm sorry, I forgot to mention this. Anytime this global is listed, that means that it's going to go to any classes that your name is attached to. That doesn't mean it's going to go school-wide to everybody. That just means it's going to go to any classes that your name is attached to. So if you want the same link, you know, there's a fun website with math games on it, and you want it for all your classes, you can do that. Or like, see, he has his live binder here. He wants all of his classes to see that. That's why it's there. Okay? So let's just put, I don't know why. It's just, we're going to do global, and then we're going to do test link. Oh, it doesn't like that. What did I do wrong? Well, let's see if I have to do this. Yes, I do. You have to put the HTTP in there if you want it to be viable. Glad I figured that out. So, as you can see, it opened up our website. If you want to make sure that the link worked, just like I saw that the one I put in didn't, just click test link and it will take you there to make sure that you've typed in the right thing. Okay, so let's delete that. All right. That's under resources. Syllabus. I know that you can copy and paste it here. But I know that they would like your syllabuses to be located on RenWeb. That way there's a central location for all the syllabuses for the parent to see. So you could just type it in, and then you can copy and paste it here. And then you'll just click save. Delete that. All right. Now, this web documents, this is where you're going to need to upload any worksheets or anything like that for your class. This is the location for it. So we're just going to click Web Documents Elementary. This is where you're going to upload your newsletters, okay? The file name, we're going to do Add New Document. And then we're going to click Browse. We select it from wherever it's located on our computer. I don't even know. We'll upload the football schedule. Click Open and then click Submit. This document has been successfully uploaded. Please select another document or exit the window. We're just going to X out. And there it is, right there. Okay. We've uploaded it. You're not done yet, okay? You see right here, the beginning and end date are the same, which means it's not going to be visible. Okay, those two dates cancel each other out. So you have to click on it, double click on it, and then change the dates. Make sure you do this, or else the parents are not going to see it, all right? We're going to change the dates to whatever we want them to be. They can be whatever you want them to be. All right? And then we're going to click Save. And that's all you have to do. If you want it to be global, and then click save. Oh, it went away. I don't know why it went away. Well, it went away. Anyway, let's try it again. Let's do add new document. Let's see. Hang on. Open, submit, double click, change the date range. Oh, because it's not visible yet. Maybe that's why. It only shows the one that are visible. I think that's probably why. No, that wouldn't make sense. I don't know why it disappeared. Doesn't bode well. It keeps going away. I don't know. Anyway, that's all you have to do when you add a new document. Let's try it one more time. Let's change that. Begin date, end date. Save. Yes, there we go. All right. All good. So that's how you add that. I'm going to delete it. Okay. Picture gallery. You can upload pictures if you want to for parents to see. I know a lot of the elementary people like to do that, so that's fine to personalize everything. Just make sure that before you upload anything, you know if their picture is allowed to be public. We do have a list of kids that are not allowed to have their picture on the website or in any publication done by us. So just make sure that you double check with, I think Lainey has that list of kids that are not allowed to have their picture publicized. Homework drop, I can go over that. Kids can upload homework. I don't think we have this active yet, but if it's something that you're interested in, definitely come and talk to me, and we can see about getting active. Kids can upload stuff if you have a paper that you want them to do over Christmas break or something like that. They can upload it to RenWeb, and you can actually go on here and download it on your faculty web. So let me think if there's anything else that I need to go over. I don't think so. If you have any questions, please come and talk to me. I'm going to be out of town from Monday through Thursday. I'm actually going to the RenWeb conference. So please do not hesitate to call me. My phone number is 334-430-3889. I will be available whenever. You can text me. You can email me. I'm always available. And I know this can be kind of overwhelming. So if you need to schedule a date with me, that's fine. If you want to get together one-on-one with just some questions, that's fine. I'm happy to do that. But I'm also going to be going over some last-minute things and changes that I've learned at the conference at in-service. So I think I have an hour and a half at in-service. And I'm available whenever if you need more time. Please don't be overwhelmed. I'm not going to throw this in your face and then not allow you to ask me questions when school starts. I'm always available. I cannot stress that enough. So please ask me any questions or ask another teacher that used it last year. It's very easy to learn once you get the hang of it. And I know that they would love to help y'all. Again, email me, call me. I'm available. And we're going to be adding some stuff as the year progresses, some different features of it. But this is just kind of the bare bones of what we kind of expect. So, all right, good luck. And please let me know if you have any questions.